everybody, it's Phil. It's been a while, but I'm out here going to try to get another video done for you guys. It's been some time, been pretty busy here in Texas getting some stuff done, but I'm going to take some time today and do a little fishing here. I've been fishing this creek over by my place, and I've been getting a couple good bass in there, so I'm going to take a chance today and throw some lures and see if maybe I can get one of these guys to bite here. So we'll see what happens, but anyways, stay tuned. We're almost there. Alright guys, so I'm here and got a couple of choices. I usually use the Rapala here. It works really good, but I'm going to try some other lures that I've been wanting to use. I've got a chatterbait, one of the original chatterbaits here. It's not the Jackhammer series, which I'd like to get, but they're a little expensive. But I've got Jackhammer chatterbait, silver blade. I did put a bigger trailer on there. It's kind of more wide, I guess, supposedly with a wider trailer. It makes it a little more weedless, and there is some sticks and branches in here. So I got that tip from another YouTuber, so I'm going to give it a try. But I'm going to throw back here in this creek and see if we can get something. So see what happens here. Okay, yeah, no loving on that. I threw it around there. I was just trying to cover some area real quick here. I do see some activity over on this side, but I think I'm going to tie on the Rapala here. I'm actually going to throw a shaky head worm right now. A little more finesse. There's activity out here. I see bait fish and stuff on the surface. I was going to try the Rapala, but I'm going to hold off on that. I'm going to try the shaky head first over in this area. There's a worm I'm going to use. I don't know if you can see that, but just want to rig it straight, flat side. Really want that thing to be weedless. So a lot of times I get asked what's my favorite lure to use now, and by and far cars by far the Rapala floating minnow is my favorite. I have a lot of confidence in it, and when you fish a lure with confidence, typically you're going to catch fish. I have caught so many fish on this lure, it's crazy. But I do have a lot of confidence in it, and I tried those other lures and no love on those, so I'm going to go to the old reliable here and see what I can do. Number two. Not much size of the guys today. Let's see if I can get this hook out. Get the pliers for this one. Got him down. There we go. All right. Number 2. Again, not very big, but it's a fish. Oh, all right. I'm gonna try to move the camera down here. Seems like they're biting better down there, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this camera. So the camera is way over there. I'm going to try to adjust it here. Oh, God. Oh. Oh man, I thought I was going in the water. Look at the skid marks here. But I got him. Set that right there. Oh, wow. I thought I was going in the water for sure. There he is. A fat one. That should make for an interesting video. Oh. But yeah, there we go. Hell yeah! Bikers just yelled at me. But yeah, on the Rapala, that's a good way to end it. I gotta go home, but I thought it was gonna be wet. I'm gonna let this guy go. And he's gone. Oh boy. Yeah, wife's calling me now. Talking about perfect timing. At least I got one. One good one. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching. Angler Fishing. I'm tired. I'll do an outro here in a second, but thanks for everybody for watching. Oh boy. I had to work for that fish. I must have made like, I don't know, 20, 30 casts on that, and I saw him actually boil in this corner over by some bushes. So I kept throwing that Rapala there, and that last cast there, I threw it and I just gave it 2 tugs, get underneath. I stopped it, and I let it float to the surface, and he freaking smashed it. It was pretty exciting. Almost as exciting as me falling in the water there. I'll tell you, that was crazy. But anyway, again, I just want to tell you guys thanks for watching and supporting. I'm gonna try to do some more videos. I've just been super busy the last couple months. I'm sure you heard that all the time. But yeah, we'll have a couple more here for you guys. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.